Our Bloom Balance Facial Cupping Kit works by creating a gentle suction on the skin. This suction and the glide that follows lifts the fascia away from the underlying tissue and muscle, thereby stimulating circulation, increasing the skin's oxygen level, and promoting lymphatic drainage. This in turn boosts collagen production and increases elasticity in the face and skin, reduces puffiness and the appearance of dark circles, rejuvenates and refreshes the look of dry, dehydrated, and devitalized skin, relaxes facial tension, and sculpts, tones, and firms sagging skin, improving discoloration and fine lines. Our kit is made of the highest quality glass and the softest and safest silicone, making them easy to use, clean, and store. Perfect for both those on-the-go glow sessions and for the quiet rituals in the comfort of your home. Our Bloom Balance Facial Cupping Kit is an easy, effective, and essential step in your self-care skin routine.